What's up, guys? It's your boy Danny Dunn Handyman. I just got a flood of subscribers, likes, comments, all the good stuff, which I really appreciate. And that's all thanks to my boy Harry Tornado, who gave me a huge shout out in one of his latest videos. If you don't know who Harry Tornado is, I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. He's an eBay reseller and he YouTubes the whole thing. For those of you new to the channel, my name's Dean. I do handyman side jobs and I take my camera around recording everything I do. Today I'm assembling bench swings at an HOA little common area. I usually work by myself and that's really the way I like it. Sometimes I have to bring my pops in. But when I actually went to look at this job yesterday, I realized that I'm going to need an extra set of hands. Not so much that it's going to be hard, but it's just going to be awkward with me having to hold frames up and get them set in concrete. So I've got my helper coming today. 6:30 now. He's supposed to be at 7:30. Let's go get everything ready for today. Looks like the truck is going to be loaded to the max. Caution tape. I don't know if we'll need this, but if we go to leaving that concrete still wet, I don't want it messed with. It might mess with the integrity of the bond. Got my boy JT here. Say what's up.
What's up?
JT's helping me today. It's actually the brother of the guy I used to do landscaping with back in high school. He's a good worker, hard worker. He used to help us with big leaf jobs, so he's got a good work ethic. Let's go get started. Okay guys, we're at the job. This is the little green common area, the pavilion they built a couple years ago, and then we're doing the two swings side by side, back in the back, kind of facing towards the pavilion. So if you're sitting on the swing, I guess you can be with those people as well. Sawzall cut right through it. Do 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 do. As you can see here, we've got both of the structural parts of the swing already assembled. It was just 3 pieces, not really that difficult, and we're almost done with our holes. So I'm gonna start prepping up to set the first swing. You ready? It's gonna be kinda awkward. Can you hold it like that? Yeah. Okay, I'm just seeing. Getting this thing set right's been a little bit more difficult than we actually thought, so we went ahead and got this post right and in concrete set. This one's a little off. We're going to wait for that to harden up, then we're going to get this one right, set it in concrete. I went ahead and put the bench over here together, which was just putting the arms on. We're going to go ahead and get ready to set our other 2 holes. So that's set up, and once that was set up, we were able to loosen the bolt up there and get it. Oh crap, stepped in the hole. There's a hole right there, just by the way. But once we were able to swing it this way, it lined it up better. Everything's level and plumb. We're about to concrete this in. This is what I use to pack in the concrete. It's an old rake or shovel handle. To make a metal one, I just haven't broke down and bought one, because this works just fine. Batteries were dying, so I went ahead and changed and realized that for my GoPro 9 I forgot the extra charge battery, so it's in the truck right now charging. But we just got this one set and it turned out great. We're about to get the other one set right now. What? Done with that first swing. Just gotta tighten up a few more things. Looking good. It's gonna be our final product, guys, before I put some caution tape around it, just to make sure no one comes and plays on them or sits on them or swings on them before that concrete sets up completely. Do you bite your fingernails?
Do it, yeah.
Comes with these little stickers. I guess this is where they ordered the swing from. Superior Amenities. That sticker placement. Oh yeah. I need to get me some stickers like this. You need someone with some fingernails to get it?
No, it's just super sticky. I think it's a Halloween decoration.
That's what I was just thinking. Nope, not a Halloween decoration.
Yeah, nope.
We're about to leave the job. JT, how you think it went? Good? After we left the job, I brought JT back here to his truck so he could go because I had other handyman jobs like unclogging this drain. It's not the type of work I like, but it's good side money in the afternoon, just picking up jobs like that here and there. Going back to the bench swing job, the job went really smooth. The first one we did have a little bit of trouble with, but after that, assembling it and everything else just went really smooth. Originally, I had planned to do that job by myself. I don't know what in the world I was thinking. I do a lot of jobs by myself, and anytime I need help, I usually get my dad or another family member. But there's no way I could have done that job without an extra set of hands. I didn't know until yesterday that I was going to need an extra set of hands on this job, so I called my two go-tos, and they said no, they couldn't do it. So I called my buddy Joe, see if he had anything going on. He owns a landscape company. Me and him used to work together back in the day. He was busy, but he told me he could send me one of his guys, which is his brother, and that's JT, and that's the guy who helped me. And it was really just nice to have that extra set of hands in general. Not even with that job, it would be nice with other jobs. While I was able to think through some things, I could send him to go dig a hole here or there, or go pick up trash, or even at the end of the job while I was wrapping some things up, he was able to haul all the tools to the truck. So those are just things, little things that I didn't have to worry about. That was nice. The only problem is I definitely can't hire anyone full-time because handyman's kind of a side gig for me. And it's hard to keep people around when you can't give them full-time work or something to do all the time. So yes, it is hard to find guys. Definitely not impossible, but it is a little bit harder for me considering I only really need someone once, maybe twice a month. But huge thanks to my buddy Joe for sending me a guy over. Really appreciate it. Couldn't have done it without him. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button. Comment something if you have something to say. Remember to get the JOBDONE. This is Dean, and I'm done.